we've been working out here, various places around the property. Um, I've been kind of working on this here. Uh, Johnny's been doing other things. Um, he's Johnny doesn't have he doesn't go out to work anywhere right now, so we've put him to work here. So he's been doing some of the bigger projects. Well, I still have a full-time job, and I'm, you know, kind of, uh, I don't have as much time to do the things, because a lot of times on my days off, I've got rain, or I've got a doctor's appointment, or I've got other things I need to get done, you know. So I don't have as much time as I wish I had, to be able to do yard work and stuff like that. But he's done wonders. I don't know if you can see right here along the edge of the field here, a lot of that is cleared out. And it really, really, really has opened this up and allowed a breeze to go through. Wonderful, wonderful breeze. Plus, right up here, the tree is totally gone. Remember I was telling y'all about how I needed to get that done? Look at that. Totally gone. Cleaned up, looking good. But we still have some trimming to do, like from that corner on down. Some of that brush stuff still needs to come out. And that will greatly help all this look better. And the breeze will cut down on mosquitoes, of course. And if it's breezy and nice out here during the summer, it kind of cuts down on the humidity, because when the air just sets and it's still, and it's humid, it feels like it's much more humid than what it is, or much hotter than what it is. I got that little square area there kind of cleaned up. That's my little onion patch. I don't have but maybe three little tiny little onions in there right now. From there, coming down this way, if you remember this past year, up to right there, kind of through there, this was all tomatoes, and in here as well. I'm getting ready to do an area here. I'm going to be digging in some of this dirt and getting a lot of that grass out. But it worked really well just leaving this stuff sitting on top of it to kill off the grass. And I wish I had done that to more of it down here. But I'm going to have this is going to come out another, it'll be like another 4x8 coming this way. And it'll still leave me a nice path around here to be able to go into there and go around. But this is a good start of my gardens. And then of course back there where that carpet is laying right here, that carpet has kept the dirt underneath it looking really good. And if you'd seen any of my previous videos, you would know that I had been throwing table scraps and other odds and ends under here to compost under the carpet. And right now it's got leaves and odds and ends on it, but we'll be cleaning all of this up. So, my greens here, going to seed, fall into the ground. I've been cleaning up in there, make it a nice, good environment for the seeds to come down to. And in here, I've got some garlic right here on this side. That's going to be popping up. And of course, the little tomatoes. So as things go on, we'll be doing more videos. And then plus right back here, these are flowering plants. And I've cleaned out around these because we're gonna dig these up and relocate these further back into a flower garden area. Of course, these are flowers, and there are flowers in here, two or three different types, and along that fence. They're really pretty. So we're gonna clean out the weeds the best we can so that we can have those flowers blooming. These flowers are gonna be dug up and transferred further back that way into a nice flower garden. So all this will be cleaned up, and I'm gonna turn this into, more of a little garden area. But since I'm limited on my time, I've really been depending on Johnny to do a majority of the bigger, tougher jobs. Look at this. That's a turnip, and this is turnip green's top, and you can see how it's going to seed. And you can see the different turnips here, and I'm allowing them to come up here and go to seed, and getting a lot of little flowers on them, which means we're gonna have a lot of seeds dropping to the ground. And I'm hoping to have all this cleaned up, kind of like I do on that side, and down and around here, to that way whenever these seeds are ready to fall to the ground and scatter out everywhere, then they'll have a really nice, good environment to do that. And of course, my kale here, this is kale, really nice. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. Nice kale leaves. Kind of makes me want to just graze. Kind of makes me want to just, oh, okay, there's little flowers coming in right down in there. So that's going to go to seed too. And I've got other little kale plants in here. Odds and ends, like right there. But yeah, that's what we're working on. There's my little square there, and there's the carpet thing. And then all of this is going to be gardens going back, various different types of plants. All right, I guess that's a good update on what I'm doing and working on today. I'll talk to you later. Hey, y'all need to get gardening. Get busy.